Meaning of harvest.
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 Harvest. The term harvest refers to the act of gathering crops that have matured in a field or garden. This process involves cutting, threshing, and collecting crops for use as food, feed, or other products. Harvesting is an essential aspect of agriculture and plays a crucial role in ensuring food security and economic livelihoods. The result of a successful harvest is a bountiful yield of high-quality crops that can be stored, traded, or processed into various products. Effective harvesting practices are necessary to ensure a healthy and sustainable food supply for a growing population.